The Chinook can carry 3 underslung loads simultaneously and carry up to 11.3 tons on its centre hook alone. This quad bike attached to the aft hook weighs just 350 kilos, but if it can be rigged, the Chinook and the hookers can take it. This capable aircraft is even able to pick up another Chinook, albeit with a few bits cut off to save some weight. With a maximum all-up mass of 24.5 tons, this workhorse can comfortably fit 30 troops inside, with seating on the floor up to 50. The raw power and versatility of the Chinook is all down to its iconic tandem rotor design, giving you that whocker. It provides a huge amount of lift